Welcome to ProFinance. I've tried everything when it comes to making money. I started with AdSense, but the low CPCs were a letdown. Then I sold products from affiliates, but I couldn't get people who came to my site to buy. Then I tried CPA marketing and quickly realized that it was the best way to make money. In fact, CPA helped one of my sites to go from nothing to making $10,000 per month in record time. And I'll show you everything you need to know about the CPA marketing in this video. But before we start our video, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon as well. So let's get started. Now, if you don't know what's CPA marketing, let us clear you that cost per action marketing is an affiliate model in which a commission is paid when a user takes a certain action. Some of these things are filling out a form, getting a code, signing up for a trial, and buying something. Now, you'll say, why CPA? I like CPA better than banner ads, AdSense, and most other affiliate marketing strategies for two main reasons. 1. Higher on the value chain. Get high on the value chain if you want to make the most money from your site. Using $100 course as an example, here's how the value chain works for digital products. Value chain. You are at the bottom of the value chain if you use AdSense, banner ads, or CPC and CPM. On the other hand, you move up the chain if you sell your own product, work as an affiliate, or do CPA. Keep in mind that there are 2 to 10 times more hands in the pot for physical products. Distributors, warehouses, suppliers, etc. So when someone buys a $2,500 laptop, Amazon associates only get $100. I want to make it clear that I'm not telling you to stop promoting physical products. Just keep in mind that commissions on physical products tend to be a lot less than commissions on digital products. 2. Integrated advertising. Another good thing about the CPA is that you don't have to put ugly AdSense blocks or banner ads on your site. You can easily add CPA offers to your site, as you will see in a bit. This means you have a real branded site, and your CTR and commissions are out of this world. Step 1. Find an offer. The first thing you need to do is find something to sell. How do you find the perfect offer for your site? Use ODigger and OfferVault.com. They are like the Google of the CPA because they bring together thousands of offers from the reputable CPA networks. You can also search by keyword, price, network, or category. For instance, let's say you run a site about health. Go to OfferVault and type weight loss into the search field. The list of the results will look like this. When you see an offer that looks good, click on the listing. Then, look at the specifics. Most of the time, the listing will tell you important details about the offer, such as what the user needs to do and what kind of traffic is allowed. Click the full landing page preview button if the offer looks good. This will show you the page that people will see when they click on your link. So, what should you look for in a landing page? First, you need a clean and professional looking landing page. If it looks sketchy to you, it will also look sketchy to your visitors, and it will not change. Also, the more fields a page has, the less likely it is that people will fill them out. That being said, more fields also mean more money for the seller. So don't turn away from a page like this just because it has 6 steps. I found that people will fill out just about anything if they're interested enough. For example, if your traffic comes from people searching Google for best online degrees, I find that they will fill out the form. What if I can't find a deal? Depending on what your site is about, you might not be able to find an offer that fits. If this is the case, you should look for CPA offers that appeal to type of the people who visit your site. Let me give you an example from the real life to show what I mean. I used to run a site in the dating niche that got 2,000 visitors a day. I put dating in quotes because most of the people there were 9th graders trying to figure out how to talk to Sally in the back. Even though I tried about 20 different themes and places to put ads, AdSense wasn't making me any money. When I look at the ads that AdSense put on my site, I saw that they had nothing to do with dating. Instead, they were chosen because of who they were. I decided to switch from AdSense to an offer to send an email or zip file to get a free Xbox 360. And all of a sudden, I was making a lot more money than I had been with AdSense. Step number 2, join a network. If the offer looks good, you should join the network that's running it. On the offer page, you can apply by clicking the Join Network link. When you do, you will see an application like this. I should point something out. I should mention that you will be asked for a phone number, which they will use to call you. Quite a few people have trouble with this. We are used to making money online as an affiliate marketer without having to talk to anyone. But the truth about the CPA is that you have to talk to someone on the phone if you want to join a CPA network. You might even have to fill out some paperwork. It's not a big deal. How to get accepted by any network. Keep in mind that CPA networks don't want to make things hard. They just want to make sure you are a real business that will send them real leads, which you are. So, all you have to do is tell the truth. Here are some tips that will help you get accepted. Call them before they call you. Affiliates with bad intentions try to stay out of sight. So call the network right after you send in your application. This proves you are who you say you are. I applied to one network and was accepted 10 minutes later. How? I called by picking up the phone. Check your HOIs. Some networks check to see if the HOI's address for your website is the same as your mailing address. Be honest. Most applications have a place where you can tell them more about your experience with online marketing. Remember that you don't have to be a rock star at internet marketing to get in. In fact, I joined my first affiliate network when AdSense was giving me about $20 a day. They just want you to fill out these fields with the truth. So it's fine to tell them if you're new to affiliate marketing. Step 3. Design your site around CPA. Once you have joined a network and have a CPA offer ready to go, it's time to add it to your site. I love CPA because you can make your site look like a Fortune 500 company, even if you're only selling $1.25 email zip submits. In other words, don't throw up a bad manner if you want your site to look like it's legit. You might not believe it, but you can make money from your site without having ads that are in your face. In fact, I found that the more you combine your advertising, the more people buy from you. Here are 2 examples of big name sites that do integration so well that it's hard to tell that they are promoting CPA offers. Big Brand CPA number 1, moneysupermarket.com. This is a well-known site for money in the UK, and almost all of their business is based on CPA. But you couldn't tell from the way it looked. The CPA offers on the site work well with the rest of the site. Big Brand CPA number 2, nerdwallet.com. Nerdwallet.com is a site for personal finances that's growing quickly, like moneysupermarket.com. They use their CPA offers to make tools that can help people. The CTR and conversion rate they would get from the banner ads aren't even close to what they would get from these ads that fit right in. Just to be clear, traditional banner ads and contextual links can work well for you, but I can't stress enough how important it is to use a custom design that makes your site look real. Step number 4, drive traffic to your site. Now that you have joined a network and found an offer, it's time to get people to visit your site. There are a million ways to bring people to your site, but here are the 3 most common ways that CPA marketers get people to visit their sites. 1. SEO. It takes time to start working, but once you rank for your target keywords, you get traffic without doing anything else. 2. Pay-per-click ads. PPC ads like Google AdWords and Facebook ads are another popular way to get people to visit your CPA offers. PPC advertising is great because you can start right away. The bad news is that you have to spend money on ads. When you stop spending, you have no more money coming in. 3. Social media. There are Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. All of these are places where you can share your offers with the right people. Like SEO, building a following on the social media can take time. But a popular Instagram account or Facebook page can bring in money for years. That's it for today's video. Do you think we should create a dedicated playlist for the CPA marketing to make you zero to hero? In that CPA marketing mastery course, we will cover our alt secret tricks with you. If this video gets 500 likes, we will be making complete playlist for the CPA marketing. Subscribe to our channel, ProFinance, and hit the bell icon as well. Thanks for watching and see you next time.